Meaning of demoralized.
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 Demoralized. Demoralized means to have lost confidence, hope, or courage. When someone is demoralized, they may feel defeated or overwhelmed, unable to imagine a successful outcome to their situation. A demoralized person may be pessimistic, cynical, and unmotivated, and may struggle to find the energy to persevere in difficult circumstances. This can lead to decreased productivity, poor decision-making, and a lack of focus. In short, being demoralized can have a significant negative impact on one's mental and emotional well-being, as well as their ability to achieve their goals.